the aftermath of a demolition derby. That's the winner. So, Crown Victoria won it. It's another car that was real impressive. I can't believe it did as good as it did. What's that? Oh, I will.
Wait, sorry. The marks.
Oh, it'll all come on there. This car right here, a woman was driving it. And what was amazing about it is that she didn't have her airbags disconnected on it, and she was ramming into a lot of different cars and before the airbags went off. She drove it crushed up like that for 15 minutes probably.
Man, this one got tore up.
That's probably about a, I don't know, about a 97 Buick, 1997 Buick, front wheel drive, and it did really good. See where the airbags blew out of it?
Dude, I had money on this car.
I thought that was going to come in about second or third place because it ran right up till the end, and then finally it died. Third place, yeah. Let's look at some of the other cars. A very valiant effort from a 97 Buick front wheel drive. 73 Cadillac died right off the bat. As long with this 78 Chevy Caprice.
Hey guys, look.
That would be good to use in the next demolition derby if they can get it running, because it didn't get beat up that much. This 69 Ford Fairlane did real good, or 68 Fairlane. I don't know for sure what year that is. 68. Tell by the steering wheel. That did real good. 4-door. I almost hated to see that out here. This 73 Chevy station wagon should have won it, but it kept dying on the guy. Normally when these are in a demolition derby, they win. This is the bad boy of the demolition derby. It's 73, 74 Chevrolet station wagons.
We need that hat back.
Oh, okay. I thought it belonged to somebody.